If you need to verify your domain, connect a service, or set up email authentication, adding a TXT record in cPanel is one of the most common things you'll do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a TXT record for your domain using cPanel, step by step, in a simple way you can follow even if you're new to DNS. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy website and hosting guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your cPanel account. This is the control panel your hosting provider gives you to manage your website, domains, files, email, and DNS settings. Once you're inside cPanel, look for the Domains section. Depending on your hosting theme, it may be arranged in a grid or listed in a category, but you're looking for the area that handles domain management. From there, open Zone Editor. The Zone Editor is where you can manage DNS records for your domain, including A records, CNAME records, MX records, and TXT records. Since we're adding a TXT record, this is the exact tool you need. Next, find the domain you want to update and click Manage next to it. If you have more than one domain connected to your hosting account, make sure you choose the correct one, because DNS records only apply to the domain you select. Now click Add Record. A new record entry will appear, and this is where you'll choose the type of DNS record you want to create. Select TXT as the record type. TXT records are used for things like domain verification, SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and other text-based DNS configurations. Now move to the name field. If you want the TXT record to apply to your root domain, enter your domain name here. For example, if your domain is example.com, you would enter example.com. If you're adding the record for a subdomain, then you need to enter the full subdomain and domain name, such as mail.example.com or verify.example.com, depending on what the service requires. After that, leave the TTL value at the default setting, unless you specifically need to change it. TTL stands for time to live, and in most cases the default value is perfectly fine. Changing it usually isn't necessary, unless your DNS provider or verification service tells you otherwise. Now enter the TXT value in the record field. This is the most important part of the setup, because this is the actual text string provided by the service you're verifying or configuring. It might look like a long code, a token, or a policy value. So make sure you copy it exactly as given, with no extra spaces or missing characters. Once everything looks correct, click Add Record to save it. At this point, the TXT record has been added to your DNS zone, but it may not show up instantly everywhere. DNS changes often need time to propagate across the internet, so be patient and allow some time for the update to take effect. After that, you'll want to verify that the TXT record has been added successfully. You can do this by returning to the service that requested the record and clicking Verify, or by checking the DNS record with a lookup tool. If the record doesn't appear right away, give it more time and check again later. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a TXT record for your domain using cPanel. This is a very useful skill for website verification, email setup, and domain security. And once you do it a couple of times, it becomes really easy. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.